Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change line and paragraph spacing in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to adjust the formatting of your PDF documents to improve readability or meet specific layout requirements. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro DC version, as this feature requires the professional edition to access the full editing capabilities. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Adobe Acrobat workspace ready for use. Next, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to work with. This will open your PDF document in the main workspace, allowing you to view and edit the content. Take a moment to ensure the correct file is loaded before proceeding to the next step. Now, in the upper left corner of the screen, click on Edit. This will activate the editing mode in Adobe Acrobat, which transforms your PDF into an editable format. You'll notice the interface changes slightly, giving you access to various text editing tools that allow you to modify the document's content and formatting. Once you're in edit mode, highlight the text you want to change line and paragraph spacing for. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text to select it. The selected text will be highlighted, indicating that it's ready for formatting changes. This step is important because any spacing adjustments you make will only apply to the text you've selected. After selecting your text, look to the left panel where you'll find various formatting options. Navigate to line spacing, then click the drop-down menu beside it to select your preferred line spacing options. This drop-down will present you with different spacing values that control the vertical distance between lines of text. Adjusting this setting can significantly impact how your text flows and appears on the page. If you want to adjust the paragraph spacing, click the drop-down menu beside paragraph spacing, then select your preferred options. Paragraph spacing controls the space before and after each paragraph, which helps create visual separation between different sections of your text. This is particularly useful for making documents easier to scan and read. Finally, in the upper right corner, click the Save button. This will save all the changes you've made to your PDF document, including the new line and paragraph spacing settings. Your document will retain these formatting adjustments, ensuring your text appears exactly as you intended. And that's it. You've successfully changed the line and paragraph spacing in your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.